Welcome to Marsara, Magistrate. The equipment demonstration you requested is prepared and may be initiated at your convenience. Simply select Start to begin the demonstration. You may skip the demonstration by selecting Skip Tutorial.
Orders, Captain?
The T-280 SCV is the cornerstone of our hostile environment construction and resource gathering operations.
Roger that.
In order to build a thriving colony, numerous SCVs are necessary. You can build additional supply demands required.
Permission to speak freely, sir.
Not enough
I'm not sure you know
minerals.
what you're doing. If
Your
you're going to
forces are
send us
under
into
attack.
hostile territory and you want us to defend ourselves, then use the attack command. But if you want us to ignore enemy fire and go exactly to the spot you targeted, then use the move command. Now, which'll it be? Commander. Standing by. Outstanding. Go, go, go. Let's move. Go, go, go. Let's move. Standing by.
Finished. Orders, Captain?
Not enough minerals.
Standing by. Let's move. Commander. Outstanding. Rock and roll. Give me something to shoot. Go, go, go.
I read you. I read you. SCV good to go, sir. Roger that.
Commander. Go, go, go. Standing by. Rock and roll.
Yes, sir. Affirmative. Yes, sir. Roger that. Orders
Your
received.
forces are under attack.
Commander. Outstanding. Go, go, go. Rock and roll. Standing by. Commander. Jacked up
SCV
and
good to go, sir.
Standing by.
I read you.
Jacked up and good to go. Give me something to shoot. Outstanding. Rock and roll.
Yes, sir.
Standing by. Commander. Jacked up and good to go. Go, go, go. Jacked up and good to go. Give me something to shoot. Commander. Rock and roll. Jacked up and good to go. Give me something to shoot. Standing by. Rock and roll.
Job's finished.
Go, go,
The
go.
refinery processes raw Vespene gas, converting it into a form which your SCVs can gather.
Give me something to shoot. Commander. Go, go, go. Give me something to shoot. Jacked up and good to go. Go, go, go.
Report for duty. Affirmative.
This concludes the equipment demonstration. There will now be a fully catered reception at Marsara Base.
Commander.